Napansin mo ba, kahit kusina lang or CR man, sunod ng sunod ang aso mo? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Most people think they're clingy. Pero sa 25 years ko sa animal welfare and sa rescue, I learned that dogs follow the person who makes them feel comfortable and emotionally safe. Hindi lang pagkain yan, hindi lang routine. Kapag stressed sila or confused or unsure, they stay close to the person who makes them feel safe and calm. Kaya kung ganito ang aso mo, number 1, speak to them gently when they follow you. Number 2, don't push them away unless needed. Number 3, let them sit with you habang nagwo-work ka or nagpapahinga ka. Your presence reassures them. Remember, kapag sinusundan ka ng aso mo, hindi ka lang owner. Ikaw ang comfort niya. Ikaw, ano ang pinaka-weird na lugar na sinusundan ka ng aso mo palagi? Share mo sa comments.